In celebration of Cinco de Mayo, we're going to make a super easy chicken tostada. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
Today we're going to be making a super simple recipe. It's a chicken tostada. Tostadas are simply corn tortillas that are deep fried until they're nice and crispy, and then they're topped with pretty much whatever you want. So first things first, let me show you how we prepare the chicken.
Okay, so we're going to poach the chicken. I have a pot with water. I also have some bay leaves, some onion, garlic, carrots, celery, peppercorns, and then I also have some cilantro stems. And this is going to be our poaching liquid for our chicken. And then I'm just going to place a chicken breast inside that poaching liquid and let it gently poach for about 20 to 30 minutes.
So let me share some truths with you about Cinco de Mayo. 1, it's not a Mexican national holiday. 2, it does not represent Mexico's Independence Day. And 3, it's celebrated more here in the United States. So now let me tell you what Cinco de Mayo is. It celebrates the victory that the Mexican army had over the French on May 5th, 1862.
Okay, so here we have our finished chicken breast. Our chicken breast is completely done. It is super moist and tender. And now we're just going to shred this for our tostadas. Okay, first we're going to add some oil to a pan and we're going to fry our corn tortillas. Now drain on a paper towel lined plate and then repeat the process. Okay, so here we have our tostadas.
And now I'm going to add some refried beans. We're just going to spread that out. Now I have the chicken that I shredded.
I'm gonna add some queso fresco. I'm gonna add some tomatoes, diced tomatoes. And we're gonna add some diced avocado. Then we're going to take some crema. And then top it off with some fresh cilantro. And there you have it, chicken tostadas.
Check this out. Look at that. Now let's take a bite. So simple, but so delicious. I'm going back in.